So this is a project that, oh, I've been working on for about 3 or 4 years. Um, I actually made it on a breadboard, I think 3 times, and ended up blowing it up for a couple different reasons. One of which was the power supply cable I was using was mislabeled, so I had my polarity reversed. That's when I decided I'd finally make it on the experimentation board and make sure that I was doing everything right. And I got it done a couple years ago, and then grad school and kids and moving to a new house happened. So it's kind of been sitting in this state for a while, but um, basically it's really simple. It's just the combination of these three logic chips creates a pulse output that blinks the LEDs in an alternating fashion, three on one side, three on the other side. Um, and it's the idea is to use it for corner strobes, and then the LEDs always get positive. They always get positive 12 volts, and the two MOSFETs you see, one here and one here, those break the negative. They break the ground, and they also isolate the current from the circuitry, because obviously the circuitry can't handle that much current. I think I can't remember, those MOSFETs I think are rated for 30 amps, which is more than enough for anything I'm going to do. And then this little guy right here, that's a variable resistor. It's upside down right now, but you just turn that resistor knob, and that changes the flashing speed. And so it allows you two things: one, to customize your flashing speed, and two, it allows you to when you add or remove lights from the circuit, the flash speed is going to change, so you can compensate for that. These two LEDs down here are just when I was first making it. I got sick of blowing stuff up and spending money. I just bought two little 12 volt panel LEDs to see if the thing even worked. The plus of waiting 4 years, 3-4 years on this, is in that short time span, LED technology has grown exponentially, and the price has gone down as well. When I first made this, I ordered individual LEDs, and I was making my own arrays. This is one of them that I was just using to test. And I bought blank bulb sockets, and I was going to make my own arrays with my own bulb sockets and epoxy, and just a bunch of time and effort. Um, you know, that was just a huge time drain. The other day on Amazon, I found this 10-pack of Zone Tech wedge base. I think they're T10s for automotive applications, like your interior bulbs and stuff. And then I got a 4-pack of these twist lock sockets for that same wedge base. I think I got the bulbs and it's a 10-pack of bulbs and a 4-pack of sockets for like $13 total. If you're doing corner strobes, a 4-pack, that's going to do all 4 of your corners, and then another 4-pack to add accessories to it. And then all you got to do is drill a hole in your lens and file or notch out the notch for the twist lock right there, and then you've got a pretty professional looking setup, and one where you can replace bulbs effectively. So let me flip this guy on here. You can see what goes. So, and the brightness of the LED bulbs that you choose, it's all up to you. I'll work the resistor here so you can see how that affects it. Let's turn it up, and you can slow it way down. And I'm going to have, and when I get this set up, easy access to that so I can change it if I want to. One of the things I need to research and ask some advice and learn how to do is if I could make a separate circuit that would alternate a second variable resistor, and so then not only would this alternate the flash pattern, but then it would alternate on the same cycle between the two variable resistors. So it would alternate a fast flash, maybe a little slower flash. Um, I I can build, but I can't design. This is somebody else's circuit. If I if I can drum up the link to the circuit, I'll post it. I think it was in a forum though, so I wonder if it's been taken down after all these years. I have the paper schematic. I suppose I could post a picture of that too. But um, I I suppose if I could ever get around to learning, um, programmable logic chips, then I wouldn't have to worry about doing that. But this is where I'm at right now. It's a pretty simple setup, and if I ever make a different circuit that's programmable, I still have this. I'll still have the whole infrastructure of the bulbs and the sockets in my truck, and all I have to do is switch out the board. I can put it in the same project enclosure, etc. So now that now that I've done this and I'm done with school and got a few other things out of the way, hopefully I can get around to making it permanent. And when I do, I'll post a video of that. I got some other projects in front of it, like that I think are a little more pressing for my truck than corner strobes, especially since I'm not plowing with it right now. So, uh, like I said, I'll try and post the link to the circuit in the comments section, and if I can't do that, I'll try and post maybe a picture of the schematic or something. Thanks.